Let me guide you if you are starting learning English from very scratch. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि टाइमली आप इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करें और उसकी लेवल्स अचीव करें तो यू नीड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द इंटरनेशनल लेवल्स लाइक A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Now these are 6 levels suggested by European Union और दुनिया भर में जो भी टेस्टिंग पैटर्न्स हैं इंग्लिश के उसके पीछे यही फ्रेमवर्क है. और आइल्स टेस्ट या फिर कोई भी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज प्रोफेशंसी का कोई भी अगर टेस्ट होता है तो उसके पीछे भी यही फ्रेमवर्क है. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि अगर आपकी C1 एडवांस लेवल है तो फिर आप आइल्स भी आसानी से कर सकते हैं और दूसरी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कॉम्पिटेंसी के प्रोफेशंसी की टेस्ट भी आसानी से क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं. एक बुक सीरीज़ है जिसे it's very famous for its name face to face series. It is based on these 6 levels. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि you need to go through a well organized patterns of learning different English levels, then you need to start from A1 level, then A2, then B1, then B2. A1, A2 level should be covered till your school. When you start learning or when you start studying in high school or in college, you must cover B1 level. And when you are an undergraduate, so you must cover B2 level and C1 level. So ये सारी levels British Council की website पे भी available हैं. You can get the idea what these levels are और इन पे face to face series के books भी available हैं. You can also purchase on the outlets of Oxford or Cambridge, or you can also like purchase from the market. But you need a teacher to be learned. So find out the institutions who teach CFR based courses or who are offering good levels of English. So just start from your scratch. Within 3 years you will master all the skills of English, from listening to speaking, from reading to writing. And I suggest you a book of Norman Lewis, How to Read Better and Faster. That is very good book. It will change your reading beliefs. For paragraph writing, like every learner who wants to master the paragraph writing, now one should practice the structure first. Like we have very common structure of paragraph writing like introduction, body and then conclusion. But within the structure we have different types of paragraph. Like we have to learn like come on the topic sentence, then different parts of the body and conclusion. Now we have the structure. Then if anybody is doing self practice but anybody needs the guidance of a teacher, it's very necessary. If anybody is practicing without guidance of mentor, then definitely he will take more time to learn. But if for example the feedback is available, direct and indirect feedback is available by the mentor, so there should be a mentor who keeps correcting the errors one makes in the structure, in the arguments, in the opening sentence. So the teacher designs or forms the language of a student. So I suggest that one should learn under the supervision of a teacher, a very competent teacher. So उससे timely ये सारी चीज़ें overcome हो सकती हैं. बाकी जिनकी अगर B1 level है तो वो self learning पे आ सकते हैं आसानी से. As per CEFR framework, if anybody has like B1 advanced level, so they are users of language now. So they can learn through the books. Like if they get a good quality book, then they can do the self practice, and they can also do the self practice like using AI applications. But finally, for editing, the teacher should be guiding and feedback giver. So it's principle of learning. So this should be done. और इसके जो पार्ट्स हैं पैराग्राफ के खास करके स्ट्रक्चर्स के, इनको बड़ी बारीकी से सीखने की ज़रूरत है. लाइक हाउ टू प्रेजेंट आर्ग्यूमेंट्स इन पैराग्राफ, ये प्रैक्टिस ज़रूर होनी चाहिए क्योंकि डिपेंड्स ऑन टॉपिक. पैराग्राफ कोई भी हो उसका स्ट्रक्चर तो सेम है. अगर टॉपिक कोई ऐसा कर्वी है या फिर चैलेंजिंग है तो फिर उसका टॉपिक सेंटेंस सेट करना भी एक चैलेंजिंग काम हो सकता है. सो इसके लिए टीचर की गाइडेंस लाजिम है एंड अ पर्सन शुड बी अ वास्ट रीडर.